I'm Dr. Shweta Poddar, the smartphone entrepreneur. Today we are going to learn about how we can make cover photos for highlights. So if you can see in my highlights, I have a very specific and brand oriented covers for each of my highlights. So when you click on them, that is when you're going to see what are the contents of these highlights. So if I click on the first one, it is going to open up and show all the stories that I have saved as highlights in them. Similarly, all the other highlights have also their own specific cover pictures. So if you want to make these for your own highlights, then that is what we are going to learn today. For that, you first have to click on a highlight, and then there are three dots on the bottom right. You click on that and then you click on edit highlight. Now you see this circle on top and edit cover below that. So on edit cover, the stories that have already been saved, they are going to be an option by default. Instead, if you want to change this, you click on this gallery image, and this is the image that I want to put up as my highlight cover. So you can enlarge it or you can make it smaller or however you want. This is just an example, so I haven't used my brand colors in this, but this is just to give you a brief idea. You have to adjust this as much as you can. Click on next and click on done. So now this has become my highlight cover. You can also edit your title over here and click on done. Now when we go back, this is how my highlight cover appears. So when I click on this, I am going to see all the contents of it. But when you see on my profile or on my account, it does not look haywire. So if I use the same app colors and the same image here as well, it is going to look pretty branded and it's going to look like it belongs to one particular album. So go ahead, create your own images, create your own covers for your highlights, and make your Instagram account more aesthetic. In case you want to learn how to make your own images and graphics over your smartphone, then I have linked the course in my bio. Please click on the bio link and you'll be able to purchase the course to make your own images and graphics just over your smartphone within minutes. That's all for today. Bye.